Hi, this is Keith Shabby, your friend in the mortgage business, and today we're discussing your personal budget. Oftentimes, I speak with clients at seminars all across the country and online about their budget. Have you done a budget? When's the last time you've done a personal budget to know what your expenses are? Where's your money going? Oftentimes, people tell me, Keith, I make great money, but I don't know where my money goes at the end of the month. I'm always out of money. Well, here's a great way before you start looking at purchasing a home to really sit down and diagnose where your cash goes on a month to month basis, to what expenses. Now, when I do a personal budget and I advise my clients to doing a personal budget, I really get detailed. I don't just talk about, maybe your cell phone bill and your cable bill. I mean, I get down to your hair, your nails, your clothing, expenses, church, family, eating out, private schools, hobbies. I mean, really detailed. Now, here's what you want to do for preparing when you get ready to do this budget. What you're going to do is you're going to take out your last 2 months' bank statements. You're going to take out your credit card statements that you have for the last 2 months, if it's one credit card, two, three, four, whatever it is. And I want you to take a look at your pay stubs for the last 2 months. And I want you to have all this put together before you start this process. Okay, you got all these items ready? Now, what you want to do is the first thing you're going to do is look at your pay stub. I want you to tell me how much money you make on a monthly basis when it comes time to your gross income. How much do you take home per month? If you get paid once a week, multiply it by 52 and then divide it by 12. If you get paid twice a month, multiply that by 26 and divide that by 12. If you get paid once a month, that's going to be simple. You already know what your gross income is because you only get paid once a month. Now, what I'd like you to do then is take and look at your net income. How much do you take home after taxes? Because the truth is, we don't take home everything we make. We take home after Uncle Sam takes his percentage. Now, I also want you to start looking at your utility bills. These are usually the easy ones, like your water, your septic, your telephone, cable, internet. Now, the reason that I'm having you take a look at your last 2 months of utility bills is this. They're usually going to average a specific amount each time. Now, if it's the summertime, your electric bill may be a little bit higher if you're running an air conditioner. So, take that into consideration. If you really want to get detailed, break it down over the last 12 months so you really have a good idea. Take a look at your telephone, cable, internet, electric, cell phone. Another one that you're going to look at is like your grocery bill. See, people are creatures of habit. If you go to the grocery store once a week or every 2 weeks or however you do it, really take a look at how much money you spend when you go to the grocery store. So start keeping track of your receipts so you can really take a look at how much money you spend at the grocery store. If you got kids, daycare, if it's weekly, monthly, however. Tell us what your current rent is. Car payment, maybe your car insurance. If you pay your car monthly or you pay it annually or quarterly, let us know what it is monthly. If your health insurance and life insurance as dental is included in your pay, just put not applicable or say included in pay. Gas for your car. Now your credit cards are a specific one. Take a look at your last couple of months, tell us what your balance is, and tell us what your minimum payments are. If you got student loans, if they're deferred, let us know if they're deferred and when they're coming out of deferment. If they are a student loan, tell us what the minimum payments are. If you have any personal loans, revolving medical payments, for instance, if you have a bill that you have due to the doctor and you have to pay that monthly, tell us what it is and then when it ends. Clothing. This one's a little bit more difficult, but take a look at what your shopping habits are. Shopping allowance, if you got something that you like, that you shop pretty much all the time for. If you got a problem and you like shopping, this will be a really good one to take a look at. Personal allowance, your hair, massage, facials, nail fishing, boating, whatever it is. Now, number 26 and number 27 are really important for you to be honest with yourself as well as the mortgage company. Tell us what your savings account looks like today. Don't tell us what you want us to see. Tell us what it really is. Do you have a rainy day account, number 27? This is basically an account that's set aside for an emergencies. Now, if you don't have any of these right now or you don't have these two, it's okay. Don't worry about it. If you have child support, giving or receiving, let us know what it is. Alimony, giving or receiving, let us know what it is. If you have a bankruptcy payment, say you have a Chapter 13 and you're in repayment of a Chapter 13, you'll know what this is. Let us know what the payment is. If you donate money to your church, let us know what your percentage is a month that you donate to church. Do you have a family that you have to take care of? Do you donate or give money to family? Vacation allowance. Do you vacation annually? If you do, let us know what it is. What does it normally cost you to go on vacation, including everything? Eating out. 34, oftentimes people really don't like seeing this one because eating out can often be a real problem for a lot of people. It's easy to go to the fast food drive-throughs and stuff like that. Be honest with yourself here. Any hobby allowances, private school. Now, guys, what you're really doing here is this. If you're truthful with what you're going to be seeing here, this is going to be a really eye opener for you. See, when you work with somebody like myself or my mortgage consultants, we don't have any emotion to this. All we're going to do is take a look at what you've got, and what we're going to do is we're going to ask you, are there things that you think you can change? So when you get into your home, you've actually started allowancing for your home. So, for instance, right now, if your current rent is, say, $850 or $900 a month, but once you get done looking at your budget and I say, listen, what is going to be a comfortable mortgage payment for you? And I want you to look at this after you've done the budget. A comfortable mortgage payment based on paying all of these items, being able to save money, and being able to continue to do the things that you like to do, like vacation or your allowances or hobbies, without struggling, or what I call white knuckling. And let us know what a comfortable mortgage payment is. Your traditional mortgage companies are going to say how much money you want to spend. Well, you know what? That doesn't make a difference to me. How much is a comfortable payment, including everything that you're going to pay for your mortgage? Now, guys, I hope this helps you out. This is Keith Shabbat, your friend in the mortgage business, showing you how to do a personal budget. Thanks again.